Thank you for this, thank you! Really! What are you waiting for? Hurry and enter a contract with it. Oh, right. Good idea.
I see. So there was a nest of cave mantises in your mine shaft.
Just like there was a nest of cave bats in ours. Which means, issuing a quest through the Adventurers Guild is the best course of action to take.
I agree.
You're a heavy one. I'd wager that's because you probably eat rattle. The red soil. I think the color's due to oxidized iron. The iron ore may be depleted, but there might still be some iron left. Right.